How to fix the issue unable to remove payment method. There is an active subscription error on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. At the top you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now open the option media and purchases. Click on view account. Now click on the option country or region. Click on the option change country or region. Choose a country or region for the store that will match the billing address for your payment method. After you select it, you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to go through all the terms and conditions and click on agree. Now you have to fill this. Provide the payment method, billing name and billing address. Once you fill this, you will be good to go. Heading towards next solution, you have to cancel the active subscriptions. For that, open your settings. Click on your Apple ID. Go to the option subscriptions, open it. Now over here you will find all the ongoing subscriptions. You have to click on the app and click on cancel subscription. After you do that, you will be good to go. Now heading towards very last solution, head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, go to the option general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. This process resets all your customized settings to default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. Enter your passcode and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix unable to remove payment method. There is an active subscription error in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.